quick spec check, Simon. Exhaust.
We've got a Scorpion exhaust on it.
Go through the mods then, just quickly. Tell us what you got.
So it's a Clubsport S with a Scorpion exhaust, APR remap, a racing line air intake, and it has got MSS springs and all of the Super Pro kit in terms of roll bars, front suspension arms. It's had a few mods. It's a few mods, running about 390, 400 horsepower, something like that.
So it's more like a Clubsport RS now.
Maybe, maybe. Just tweaked a little.
Okay, so we're just going out on track now in Simon Harper's Clubsport S, and he's got his Golf R in front of us. Much louder standard this is. Easy calls by Simon. Quarry corner. Take it easy for the first lap though. Very late apex at Quarry where the cone is. Wow, amazing brakes. Earlier apparently. It's dried out lovely now. Simon's running MSS Springs, they're the sponsors of the event coincidentally, and I haven't heard of them for a while. They used to get held up by a big heavy RS5 now. Busy session this, with a whole mix of cars. Here's your exhaust by Simon.
It's good, yeah.
Hey, sorry?
Plenty of feel. The car feels very quick with the APR map.
Oh, you're running an APR map, so you're about 360 horsepower?
Yeah, it's just short of 400.
400? Bloody hell. The traction seems alright considering you're on normal tyres. Original S3.
Bit of a cue here.
Yeah, it is. I think that
van must bit of a gaggle. You don't want to get too caught up in that on the pounds.
I'm slightly worried an RS6 is behind the van. But now, we've still got a van in front of us. But we've also got an RS6 with a bit of a lean on. That van can get a shift on. Bit of a rumble from the brakes now.
A little bit of brakes, getting a little bit tired now, getting a little...
It's a bit of a mobile chicane, this truck.
Vibration now.
Yes. Is that new? Have you had that before?
New, we haven't had that, no.
Haven't had it for a while. Keane's pretty hardcore, but it's not worse than Bedford, I'd say.
The car handles really nicely, though.
Feels lovely. Supple but composed.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah.
That's your next project then?
Yeah, we definitely need some brakes.
Blimey. When you get into that fourth, it felt amazing.
Yeah. It's got a little bit more grip than the end, I think. So, yeah.
Nicely done. Revo RS6. See you later.
Feels really lovely on those MSS springs. Beautiful. Balance. Brakes are coming back now.
Oh, that's good.
It's really spinning its wheels up. It's got as much horsepower as we want in one of these. Oh, it's beautifully balanced on the springs. It is a little. Really spinning the wheels up, and it's so cool.
Never found myself holding onto the side of the seat before. That's on road tyres.
Yeah, it's good.
Bad line. Yeah, that's when it feels really quick there. It's like when you're coming in, just like picking
Because
up.
we need the track tyres really.
Yeah. Wait. How can the brakes have got better?
The brakes, yeah, I'm just been a bit easy on them.
Oh.
Yeah. They just go well. Traction control lights are on all the time.
That's when it's quick.
God, it's quick off there. It's absolutely wild through there. Feel a little bit more confident now to use the track, you know.
Bit like that. I used to come here and watch the RS4s and think they were amazing.
Yeah.
I think this is far quicker, even standard. you've overcooked his brakes.
What's that?
Well, that was incredible, yeah. RS6s.
But we're on standard road tyres.
That's true, Michelin
Standard road tyres, so that's holding us back a little bit.
That's, you know, I've always said it's the ultimate
it's a great road
upgrade.
tyre to be able to
It's a great road tyre to do that, yeah, for sure. But if you had some proper, like, Trofeo Rs.
Wow.
Oh, who else?
No, yeah, you're the man for those.